Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it is time for another crochet hair install, and today's crochet hair is the YWigs Spanish Curl Human Hair Crochet. Now, I have this hair in 22 inches. YWigs is so kind to sponsor today's video. They sent me 2.5 packs of this hair, and we're gonna see how we get it into my head today. But first, let me back up a little bit. Now, they sent me 2.5 packs of this hair, and it did not look like this originally. It came in its original natural color. I, being me, y'all know how I like to transform things. Y'all know I love to take something from a natural to a 4RC30 in a minute, and that's what I did with this hair. So I took this hair and I dyed it using my normal Ion Sally's color. I think I used that. If not, I'll insert something different. It's been a while since I colored this hair. I like to bulk color things when I'm bulk coloring a lot. So the last YWigs hair I tried, I colored it, and I colored it right around that same time. And this is the color that I came out with. One, clearly I left the color on for a little bit longer. Got a question the other day on one of my coloring videos, or a video where I colored a hair, and they said, how long do I leave it? It's not, I can't even pretend like I have a set time, like I set a timer. I put that color on, I do some errands, I do a little here, there, everywhere. I purposefully left this on longer, just because I wanted to put a little bit of like spaces throughout my head where it's a little bit lighter. So doing like a little bit of, it's not an ombre, what's it called? Like a two-tone. I want a little bit of two-tone going on. So this one I left on significantly longer than the other bundle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 come when you buy 2.5 packs. So 5 little individual of this. So if you buy half, so you can buy half of a pack, this is what you get. You buy 1 pack, you get both. So you get 2. If you buy 1.5 pack, you get 3. You buy 2 packs, child, I'm getting ahead of myself. You get 4, and then this total makes 2.5 packs. I have 250 strands of hair in my head. I won't end up using all 250. You guys know how I do over here. In terms of braid pattern, we're using an old one. We're using the braid pattern I had last. You want to see it fresh? I'll insert kind of a picture of it when it was fresh in its heyday when I was installing the last YWigs hair, that body wave hair. Yeah, I'm reusing that braid pattern. So trying to get my money's worth. You guys know Kish, my hairstylist here in Charlotte, does my braid down. She did my braid down for me. Thank you, girl. Taking one less thing off my plate. She took that off my plate 4 weeks ago. And now again, I'm using this all over again because I'm lazy. I don't want to sit in the chair again and get my hair washed and braided down and all those things. Let's just reuse what we have, because the braid pattern she does is always stable. And I did want leave out again. I wanted some of my hair left out. That's why I dyed this hair. And I'm trying this because you guys wanted me to. You don't know how many times I've gotten a comment from you guys saying, try the YWigs Spanish curl, the Spanish curl, the Spanish curl. Try the Spanish curl. I'm trying the Spanish curl. I hope those who commented that are happy and front row center as I embark on this journey. Now, again, this is what each thing comes in. So each of your 50 strands comes in a thing like this. It has the number of inches at the top. And without further ado, let's just take this braid pattern and this hair and get started. A closer look at a strand of this hair, and each and every strand does look like this piece. It does have that string, making for an easier install. But all I'm going to do to install is take my crochet needle, push it through my braid, attach the hair to the end of that needle, then pull both through enough so that a loop is created, and then pulling the hair through that loop twice, knotting the hair twice. So that is all I'm going to do. I'm going to continue this process throughout of pushing the crochet needle through my braid, attaching the hair to the end of that needle, pulling both through, a loop is created, pulling the strand through twice, which is in essence known as double knotting. You can triple knot, you can quadruple knot, you can pull the hair through as many times as you need to feel secure. This is just what I'm doing. You can pull it through once, see how that works out. Pull it through 5 times, see how that works out. But I'm just pulling it through twice, and I'm going to repeat this process over and over again throughout my head.
Say what, yeah, girl, you know what's up.
And this is how far I got with one pack, which is 100 strands. I'm repeating that for future me, like I do this in every video, so I know how far I got with the pack. So this is 100 strands of hair in my head. So this is how far you will get with one pack. Clearly, one pack is not enough, so I will be continuing on.
So now this is the finished look. The Spanish curl is in my head, and it took me roughly about 2 hours to install this hair, just making sure every place that I needed hair, it was placed perfectly. It's a curly hair, so it can get pretty big, but I like being back in my land of the big. I told my mom last night, we was talking on the phone, she was like, what hair are you installing next? I said, it's curly time. She was like, you ain't did curly all year, like work gonna be confused, your boo gonna be confused, like a lot of people gonna be confused because you ain't been a curly girl. But I was like, I live in the curly space. Like curly is my jam. It is who I am. So people gonna have to get used to it. Everybody who ain't never seen me curly before, this is my default setting. Like the straight was good when we were under 80 degrees. We're over 80. Time for the curls. And with curls, the other great thing about it is I think you can use a little bit less hair. So I didn't even use all of 2. I have a lot of my second pack still left open. I mean, I can go in and see if there's more spaces, but because it's fuller, you just don't want to make it too full. So I have all entirety of the half of the 2.5. I didn't use all of 2. I have a lot left. I genuinely have a lot left, and this whole one that I didn't open. So I will say, if I didn't have leave out, I think I would have used all of 2. I think if you want to buy 2.5 to be safe, that's the max you would need. But if you buy 2 packs at 22 inches, and again, 2 packs is 200 strands, it's natural color, it's a straight $300. However, if you do want 2.5, and again, it goes up to 3. You could buy 3 if you wanted to. I don't think you would need to. 2.5 would probably be perfect if needed, and that would be $374. Again, you can go a lot shorter too. That's at the 22 inches. If you go down to 14 inches, 2.5 will get you, it will run you $253. So if you change the length, the price will go up. If you change the quantity, the price will go up. You can change all the variables you want to get the perfect thing. Sometimes, 22 could be too long for you. This is 22 uncut though. Again, I had the YWigs hair in last. That was 22 inches. Curly hair is defined and length defined by how it will look if you pull down the strand. So if it wasn't curly, how would it look? So that's how they're defining it for you guys who are like, 22 inches should be down here. Curly 22 inches and straight 22 inches are two totally different things. So this is what they've defined 22 inches as. If you get 14, I can only imagine to be much shorter. And then of course, this is the longest length. 22 is the longest length that this hair comes in. Overall, all I used was perm rods to get my leave out to match the texture of this hair. I think it blended really, really well. This overall install, I did knot the hair twice. So I pulled my strand through twice in this install. I think that's appropriate. Again, it feels very lightweight, but still very voluminous at the same time, which I love. I think all of their hair that I've tried has been very lightweight, and who doesn't love a good lightweight hair? At this point, I've done nothing to the hair, so it's just in my head. No product has touched it. No scissors have touched it yet. Like, this is it. And I don't see myself doing much to it, but this is just the install. This is me just putting it in my head. It's been in my head for 2 hours now. I didn't have it in this morning. I have it in right now. So again, I can't make a full determination and thoughts on it. However, you guys know how my channel is. This is an install. Review will come later. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you didn't still give it a big thumbs up, we want all the love and support over here on this channel, as well as we want you to subscribe so you don't miss the content that comes later from my channel, and have the notification bell on so you're notified when new stuff comes to my channel. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon for a few more shenanigans and a bit more real time. Thanks again, YWigs, for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in my next. Take care. Bye.